Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately. Pick cloud or local backup and confirm the destination has enough space. Plug the phone into power, and if using USB transfer, connect to a trusted PC. Once connected, set the phone to file transfer mode and unlock the device. This lets the computer access the DSIM and pictures folders. If you choose cloud, open the backup app and sign in. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and stable. That prevents interruptions during the first full sync. Now perform the actual transfer and keep an eye on progress. If moving to a PC, drag the DSIM and pictures folders to a designated backup folder and monitor transfer speed and error prompts. Once done, compare file counts and total bytes on both sides. A quick checksum tool or the File Explorer counts will reveal missing files. If uploading to cloud, watch for failed uploads, prioritize originals, and pause other large network tasks so your photos can finish by verifying integrity. Open a random sample of photos and check metadata like dates and resolution. Once satisfied, set up an automatic schedule, daily or weekly backups, and keep at least one offline copy for extra security. If you encounter transfer errors, first retry the failed files, then swap the USB cable or use a different port. If cloud uploads fail, clear the app cache, reauthorize the account, and restart the upload. Make sure you don't delete originals until you've confirmed successful, verified backups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.